what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kate in the City. Thank you for joining me. And I know that I haven't been uploading videos for a while. It's just because of a few things. I am full-time in school and I work. And plus, for example, today, right now, we are having a horrible wind and ice storm. So nothing is going on outside, so I just kind of wanted to give you a sneak peek of some of the things that are growing on inside. So these are all things that will be going either into my backyard garden or into the community garden beds that I have. So I just wanted to kind of quickly go through some of these so you can kind of get a sneak peek of what you should expect to see on my channel. So we'll just start here in the upper left corner. This is some anise hyssop. Okay, so this smells very much like anise, but it is not anise. It is anise hyssop. It is in the same family as like catnip. And it's very fragrant, has beautiful purple flowers. I use it to make tea and I absolutely love it. So I got a whole bunch growing in there. And I also have more 6-packs of all of these, pretty much. So then we have some glow basil starting. As you can see, a couple of them have started stretching, just because right now it is very limited in my grow room for space and light. Okay, so I have some thyme here. This is coming really well. I've got some marigolds. Okay, it's really good to have some nice flowers in your garden to attract those beneficials, and marigolds actually repel a lot of the unwanted pests. So back here I have some ghost peppers. They're looking really nice and healthy. Somehow the lettuce got in there. I'm not sure how. I just decided to leave them in there. I don't know, I'm not going to cut them out. Maybe I will. I don't know. If I do, maybe I'll give it to my bunny Reggie. So the next peppers that I'm going to be featuring a lot in my videos this coming year are these, the Sugar Rush Peach that I got from Baker Creek Seeds this year. So I've got 6 of those. They're all looking really nice, really healthy. This one leaf is looking a little bit yellow, but I've been having a problem with aphids, so I attribute it mostly to that. And then these I also got from Baker's Creek as well, and these are the Artichokes. So these are a very small pepper anyways. I expect them to be a smaller plant than the ghosts or the Sugar Rush Peach, so I'm not worried about them being smaller in size. They do look pretty healthy. So here we have the Naranjia, of course not right there. That is another one of the anise hyssops that somehow has snuck its way in there. But no Naranjia grew in that cell anyways, or the other one. However, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants, it looks like. So we have, see, one under here, got a couple in that cell, a couple in that cell, one in that cell. So I've never grown Naranjia before. I'm in zone 5A, so I don't know if I'll ever be able to grow Naranjia here, but we're definitely going to try. It's going to be a nice experiment. Here's some celery. I've got lots of celery growing. This is some blue Scotch kale. So I've got a few 6-packs of this. I love kale and different brassicas in general, so I try to grow a lot of them. Here's a giant curled mustard. We need some, nice greens. This is a Grand Rapids. While these 3 cells are some petunias, so a little bit more flowers for the garden. Back here we have, well, what started off as leeks. And what happened was that a shelf above the leeks fell onto them. and I was like, oh my gosh, and I kind of quickly picked them back up and stuck them in there haphazardly. And this was about 3 weeks ago, so they've recovered, but as you can see, a whole bunch of other stuff has grown in there, of stuff that fell in there and wasn't germinated yet. So we've got like some bunch of basil in there. I think down there, those little ones right there, you can see those. I think that might be a spider flower. And then this one, even though it looks like a leek, it is not. It's a gladiolus. So we got all kinds of special stuff going on in that 6-pack. We're just going to kind of see what we can get out of it when the weather warms up enough. We've got some artichokes growing. Okay, so these guys look pretty big and healthy. For our tomatoes this year, I really wanted to show you 2 of them that I've got. I'll be growing the black vernissage tomatoes. And these are the green sausage tomatoes. And look at this guy. He actually branched off. Let me see if I can get you to focus. There we go. So he actually branched off a sucker before he put on its second set of leaves. So this is like the lowest branching that you can possibly get, right? There's no nodes underneath it. So this is going to be a really low and wide plant, and I'm not going to pinch off that other sucker. It's going to be 2 branch. Right like that, right from the base, and it's going to be really thick and nice and beautiful. And then I just kind of wanted to show you this. I thought it was cute. It came up today. So these are an experiment I'm doing. These I got from Price Chopper. They were russet potatoes. It was just the last couple of russet potatoes in the bag, and so I threw each one of them. I had 2 of them. I put them in a cup, and they're way down here at the bottom of the cup with about 1 inch of soil at the bottom. I put them in there and covered them up, and look, I've got green leaves poking right through. So whether they'll grow me some potatoes or not is yet to be seen, but I'm definitely going to have fun trying. So guys, there is a sneak peek of some of the things that you will see in my 2018 garden. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below. I would love to hear what you think about some of the things that I'm growing. And make sure that you share this video with other people who might want to tag along on my 2018 growing season. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode. See you next time.